Magandang umaga mga kausi. Ayan, isang umaga na naman, nakaganda at mukhang makulimlim sa labas ng bahay. Ayan, oh. Hindi masyadong maaraw, makulimlim. So tayo ay maggagala. Pupunta tayo sa isang tindahan ng mga halaman at tayo ay titingin ng mga puno. Gusto akong bilhin puno. So, let's go mga kausi. Sama kayo. Hello, we're back mga kausi. Kumusta kayo dyan mga kausi? Ayan andito tayo ngayon sa farm. Bibili tayo ng halaman. Titingin tayo ng mga puno. So, tayo ay mamimili ng mga puno mga kausi. Let's go. Sana okay ang araw ninyo mga kausi. Okay naman dito, maaraw. Ayan. Welcome to the farm. Ayan mga kausi Tingin tayo mga kausi. Ano ito? Plum. Plum daw siya. Plum.
Usually go for about 30.
30.
I can ask him if they have any papaya when he's done with the other customers.
Okay.
We did just get a shipment. That's why we're trying to move some stuff still back in.
Yeah.
Figure out where we
What
have
kind of trees do you have here?
We have quite a few fruit trees.
Fruit trees, yeah.
So all of this right here is going to be your apples, your pears, your plums, and we do have citrus in the greenhouse. If you're looking for citrus.
Yes.
We have. Would you be interested in citrus?
Oh, is that? You see here? Are they ready to give fruit this next year?
So all of these they're all grafted.
Yeah.
So they should be bearing fruit either this year or late or early into next year.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have very much
Like
left
this
on
one.
Yeah, that one's already produced.
So they have the same price?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All of the fruit trees are $30.
$30. $30. Hi. Are you grumpy? Mr. Grumpy?
Other two though. So they'll survive in the heat, but they're hardy enough to survive the cold weather. This is all of our citrus right here.
Lemon.
Grapefruits back there. These are oranges. You see, these are.
Cherry bulb.
Yes, ma'am.
What is cherry bulb?
These are mandarins.
Cherry bulb. Barbalos.
These are all limes. Mr. Jorge, do we have any satsumas?
I do.
Where are those at?
It's gonna be on this right hand side, possibly behind.
Okay.
Look for the tag. It's not. I'm sorry, they're right here.
They're right here. Satsumas are right here.
Satsuma.
How are the root systems?
Oh, they're so small.
They like us to get water.
Satsuma
They're already
or-
fruiting because, like I said before, all the fruit trees are grafted. So, like this one's already going to be fruiting.
That's not Satsuma.
Yes, ma'am.
It is?
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
it is small? It's quite
Oh yeah, this is kumquat. You're right.
complex.
But she's right. I thought they were in the same row. I thought they were separate. So
Ah, puno ng nyog.
right down here.
Banana. Banana. Oh, the small one. The dwarfs. Dwarf hibiscus. Yeah. And what is that over there?
Yeah.
What kind of plant is that?
That is garlic.
Garlic.
Yes, ma'am.
This is small banana.
Yes, ma'am. I believe so. Those are all the full-grown ones.
Yeah.
All these right here are hibiscus as well. They're just cuttings from these planted.
Mm-hmm.
So if you wanted to start them out, you could.
Planting. Oh, maybe I'll just get the this ginger. Ayan mga kausi ang ating mga halaman na pinili.
Is there anything else you're looking for?
I'm looking for cherry.
Cherry?
Cherry tree, but not cherry balboa. Something like the
I think they were in that one.
yeah, but I saw it, but it's different kind of cherry. That's cherry balboa. It's not the real cherry tree. No.
Is there anything else one you'd want?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have the figs. These are going to be your bigger figs, like the ones you said in there that were smaller.
The smaller one, yeah.
These are going to be your bigger size. Group really. I mean, a giant field. Me and my buddy would go fishing all the time, and we wouldn't fish
Mga
anything, and we'd go pick. And
blackberries.
Squirrels couldn't even eat them.
Payat ang kanyang puno.
That's probably my second favorite fruit. Making pies with it.
Ayan, kumuha tayo ng tatlo nitong blackberry. That's it. Pansit. That's it. Ayan mga kausi ang ating mga nabiling halaman na sa loob na ng sasakyan. Kita nyo? Ayan oh.
Oh, the blackberries?
Kita mo kausi. Dami nating nabili.
What's your zip code? The name is Maria.
Okay mga kausi. Ayan. Kita nyo na yung ating mga pinagbibiling halaman. So, we're done. Tapos na tayo dito. Pauwi na tayo mga kausi. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama sa pagbili ng halaman. Although hindi ko nabili lahat ng gusto ko kasi wala silang papaya, wala silang dalandan na maganda. So, titingin pa ako sa iba siguro next time ulit. Okay mga kausi, maraming salamat. Please Hello, we're back mga kausi, we're back. Andito na tayo, tingnan natin ang ating biniling halaman. Ayan. So, ayan mga kausi, ang ating nabili na halaman. Ito, snake plant, blackberry, tatlo yung puno ng blackberry. Ayan. Then, bulaklak. Malapit nang mamulaklak yan, oh. Meron na siyang small buds. Malapit na yan. Yung ating nectarine, peras, yan. Meron din tayong kalamunding, pig, may luya. Ayan. Yan ang ating nabili. Yan lahat ng halaman na ang ating nabili mga kausi, worth 240. Lahat ng yan ay 240, di ba? Mura, no? Mura. Grabe. Huwag mo lang i-convert sa peso. Mura talaga yan, di ba? Pag kinonvert mo yan sa peso mga kausi, mahal na yan. Di ba? Okay na yan. Okay lang yan. Bumili din ako ng neem oil pang treat sa mga fungus, fungicide para dun sa ubas pag nagkakasakit. Okay mga kausip, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa pagbili ng halaman. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Love you all mga kausi. Shout out sa mga nag-subscribe. Hello sa inyo. Subscribe pa more sa mga hindi po nakasubscribe at nagustuhan ng ating video for today. Maraming salamat. I love you all.